In the heart of the Arabian Sea, under a blanket of stars and amidst rising regional tension, two giants of American naval power move silently but purposefully: USS Carl Vinson, CVN-70, and USS Harry S. Truman, CVN-75. These nuclear-powered aircraft carriers are not here by coincidence. They are here with a mission: to maintain maritime security, ensure freedom of navigation, and conduct strategic operations targeting Iran-backed Houthi fighters operating from within Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen. But sustaining such operations takes more than determination. It takes precision logistics. In a complex choreography, U.S. Navy supply ships approach these massive warships in open waters, often in unpredictable weather and high seas, to deliver vital fuel, ammunition, and provisions. This is underway replenishment, a high-stakes operation that keeps the fleet combat-ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing to return to port. Below deck and above, thousands of sailors, engineers, pilots, and deck crew maintain a rhythm of relentless duty. Jet fuel is pumped, ordnance is armed, intelligence is gathered, and flight operations continue without pause, from the first light of dawn to the last spark of night. FA-18. Super Hornets launch in formation, conducting both reconnaissance and precision strikes. Surveillance drones buzz across the skies, tracking movement below in Houthi-controlled zones. Every takeoff, every landing is part of a larger strategy: to deter attacks, protect commercial shipping lanes, and counter threats against international maritime stability. The Red Sea and Gulf of Aden are not just waterways, they are lifelines of global commerce, with millions of barrels of oil and goods passing through every day. But in recent months, Houthi forces have been accused of targeting international shipping, launching drones and missiles that threaten not only regional peace, but global trade itself. In response, the U.S. Navy has ramped up its presence, deploying its most advanced carriers and supporting vessels to send a message: aggression will be countered, provocation will not go unanswered. Inside the combat information centers aboard these carriers, mission plans are constantly updated. Satellite feeds stream in live data. Radar systems sweep vast ranges. Coordination with allied navies and intelligence partners ensures that every move is calculated, every response is justified. "This is what we train for," one sailor says. "We're here so others can sleep peacefully." Night falls again, but for the crew of the Vinson and Truman, there is no sleep. This is round-the-clock readiness, a mission that never ends, a floating fortress that never rests. As tensions continue in Yemen and across the Middle East, these carriers stand not only as symbols of American resolve, but as active participants in a mission to uphold stability, defend freedom of navigation, and counter growing threats at sea. Subscribe for more real-time military operations, frontline footage, and inside looks into life aboard the most powerful ships in the world. This is modern naval warfare: strategic, silent, and always moving.